Okay, in this lesson, I want to a little bit talk about cutting for UV. Here in the edit menu, we have something called untag edges. The untag edges is exactly the shortcut C for cutting, as I said before, for opening 3D model to dropping in UV and flatten that. For example, I want to cut this 3D model and make it for ready for UV. Before opening that, I want to explain untag edges. It's exactly C. Its default is in a D. D is dragging. It means you can holding C and drag your mouse over the edges. As you can see, the benefit of the dragging is if you reach this, for example, three-way, as you can see, it does not go automatically in any direction. It's nice. For example, going in this direction, you have to release the C and hold again and do your way, going your way. Okay, this is nice. I explain that more. For deleting that selecting edge, if you holding C, this way does not cut. Just selected for cutting. For deleting that selected edges, hold backspace in your keyboard and click and just drag over your edges. I want to set this sitting on a 0. 0, it means you can just hold C. Exactly that edge will be selected. But if you're holding C and over any edge, as you can see, select over edge. But it's very annoying because sometimes you want to this edge and suddenly hit that edge and select everything selected. It's not good. So because of that, it's dragging. It's just go a straight line. Backspace, hold backspace and click. If you want select one, it means if you select edges for cut by holding C, it selected that edge, one before and one after and one before. Okay, see, as you can see, select 3 lines. If you hit 10, it select 10 edges. 10 edge before, 10 edge after. This selection is going for loops. As you can see, if you hit C, it select that loop for you or that loop. Okay. Ctrl Z to back. That's it. So the dragging is nice. Okay. I want to select from here to that way to this 3-way. So you can holding C and holding C and drag, or you can select 10 in the settings. Nice. When we reach here, release C and again this way. Release the C and again this way. Just release or click again. Simply. I want to open this handle by those edges and hold over bringing your mouse over your model and hit enter. As you can see, it's open and it's the time to drop into UV. Holding click D and dropping on the UV. Select 1 to go into the UV editor and select that and hit F to flatten. Okay, as you can see, we have a problem here. For better flattening, you can hold Shift F. As you can see, if your flatten does not doing its job well, you can Shift F. For stopping thinking about its thinking to the flattening the object to the best way, hold the space to cancel it. And that's it. It's flattened for us. Okay. And that's it. Can move it. Another thing here is a live selection. It's live. Live mean if you can cut the edge directly in UV. For example, you want to cut this edge from here. Hold C and just hold C and going mouse over that edge. Or going mouse over that edge and click C. As you can see, it's cut it live. It means it automatically refresh the flatting. If you deselect that, as you can see, if you cut the edge, it just cut, it does not change the overall shape. If you select live, you have to shift F again to refresh it and hold the space to cancel it. It's right here, hold the space. That's it. This means that you can cut in your edit menu mode and in a UV mode. And I will explain these colors, red and green, and what is exactly UV in the next lessons.
Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.